New coronavirus mutation more infectious but does not affect disease severity. An international group of researchers has found evidence that a new, more infectious mutation of the coronavirus has traveled from Europe to the US. Their study, however, which was published in the journal Cell, concluded that though the virus is more infectious, it isn't making people any sicker. The researchers explained that the mutation specifically changes the spike protein of the novel coronavirus. The virus uses its spike protein to penetrate cells and infect them, so the scientists are currently trying to determine if this mutation may affect the virus's ability to be managed by a coronavirus vaccine. Many of the coronavirus vaccines currently under development target the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. In their study, which confirms previously published research proposing that a mutation of the virus has made it more common, the scientists named the new mutation of the novel coronavirus G614. The research proves that G614 has almost entirely replaced D614, the first version of the novel coronavirus to spread in Europe and the US. The researchers took and tested samples from coronavirus patients in Europe and the US, then compared their genome sequences to publicly available data. They then drew up a map that showed that through March 1, the G614 variant was rare outside of Europe, but increased in frequency worldwide by the end of March. G614 replaced D614 in places where there were widespread epidemics, and the increase in G614 frequency often continues well after stay-at-home orders are in place. According to CNN, G614 seems to multiply faster in the nose, sinuses, and throat, but coronavirus patients with G614 were not in worse condition than patients with the original strain. Beth Korber, a theoretical biologist at the Los Alamos National Laboratory and a co-author of the study, said their global tracking data shows that the G614 variant in spike has spread faster than D614. They interpreted the data as proof that the virus is likely to be more infectious, but they gathered no evidence of the mutation's impact on COVID-19 severity. Scientists who were not involved in the study, such as the University of Warwick's Lawrence Young, regard the new study as good news. Young said there is hope that as SARS-CoV-2 infection spreads, the virus might become less pathogenic.